Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center. And today is a new year, so let's start with a new Prowler. Brand new 2019 Prowler. This is the 29P RKS. This is a new floor plan for us. First one of these we've had. It's a rear kitchen, double slides. It is 34 foot overall length, including the tongue. It weighs 7,751 pounds dry weight. And if you go to my website, parkwayrvcenter.com, or go, if you're on YouTube, on the video description, click on the link in the first paragraph, the video description. I'll have all the important information like tank sizes, weights, dry weight, gross vehicle weight rating, and much more. But these are beautiful campers, folks. I'm going to tell you, I'm very, very proud to be a Heartland Prowler dealer. It's the only brand that we carry new. They just got some very unique features and construction. Built by Heartland, of course, which is parent company is Thor, which is one of the largest RV manufacturers in the world. And you're talking about a name Prowler that's been around for over 50 years. So got a lot of experience, a lot of customer feedback over half a century to design the 2019 Prowler. Got these blue LED lights underneath it. I don't know how well you can see it in the daytime, but at night they look great. Even the outside speakers have LED lights in it. And the power awning has LED lights. And that awning is power, folks. Now, I ordered this thing loaded. Power jacks, power tongue jack. It's got the heated enclosed underbelly, so it's perfect for wintertime camping. Just a good looking camper, folks. I love the colors on the inside. It's a retro but modern look. And let's look around it. First of all, let's talk about the roof system on a Heartland Prowler. It has the TPO roof system, which is has a 12-year factory warranty. Same roof system they put on the Walmart Supercenters. It's as close to a maintenance-free roof as you can possibly get in a camper. Got outside shower, plug-ins in the back, 30-amp service, of course. Both slides are on the same side. I like that. That way, if you're in an older campground that maybe has some tight spots, you don't have slide outs extending both sides, making you wider. Great floor plan inside. This is a perfect couples model. Show you a couple of things. They call this the rack and pinion electric slide out. Traditional RV slide outs, basically they come out, they rest against the wall, the slide out seal rests against the wall, and all the stress of somebody getting in the slide out and out of it is resting on the wall. And what happens, folks, especially when you get several years old and you get a lot of people, say a family, all sitting in the slide out at once, you're putting a lot of stress on that wall. Before you know it, it's starting to visibly puff out. It's going to crack and everything else when you're sitting in and out of your slide. Heartland designed a ring and pinion system that puts the weight off the wall and onto the floor. So you don't have to worry about a puffed out wall when your Prowler gets a few years old. You don't have to sweat it if you've got 7 people sitting in your slide out, which it can sit that many. The sofa and the table and chairs are in there as well, or the booth, I mean. So you don't have to sweat that, folks. Something else Heartland Prowler does is they actually put a moisture barrier underneath their slide out. And this moisture barrier, because what happens, folks, when you're bringing your room in and it's been raining outside, soaking wet, you're bringing that moisture that came off your slide out as well. And over time, that moisture could lead to water damage and potential mold or mildew. So Prowler put that on there so it saves the bottom of your slide out. That's why so many older campers that have water damage underneath the slide out, I bet you never thought to check under there either, did you? So that's one of the first things we look at in any trade-in is underneath the slide outs. Full pass-through storage. And it has a moisture barrier in there as well. So because they know that if you put wet chairs in there, wet carpet, wet outdoor carpet, anything like that, again, that moisture will get up in the frame and cause water damage, mold, or mildew problems eventually. So they put a moisture barrier in the outside pass-through compartment. Lippard components, jacks, and power jack system, twin 30-pound LP bottles. Now, folks, I currently have a jump box on here. When you purchase this RV, it will have a new interstate deep cycle battery installed. But right now, I'm just running off that jump box. Brand new, folks, got a 3-year factory warranty, 3-year structural warranty, 1-year bumper to bumper. Got a 12-year factory warranty on the roof and a unprecedented 25-year on the interior floor. So safe to say, folks, wow, you're covered for a long time. Nice open area right here. I mean, I love all the windows. Just got a great look to it. Let's look inside this Prowler. I'm going to tell you, folks, from the time I first seen the new Prowler, I fell in love with them. I love the colors. I love the layouts. I love the amenities. Notice the ceiling panels. Got that white kind of retro style ceiling panel. Got the lights over the slide out. The accent lighting. Big rear kitchen model, folks. If you like to cook, you'll love this camper. You know, back here in the back, I mean, you've got a big double basin sink. Got the nice sprayer. Got the oven, the stovetop, the microwave, got the fridge, the Medic 2-way RV refrigerator freezer, got the decorative backsplash. Wow. And they do little things too. You open the drawers up, folks. There's a rubberized coating in here because around the wood, because people who've had RVs, you leave something in there, you tow the camper to where you're going, it spills out, it stains the wood in there permanently. This is all rubberized, so you can take some cleaner and a rag, clean it out. Just little things like that that they get from being in business for 50 years, that with 50 years of customer feedback, that really just gives it that extra little pop. Got a skylight here in the kitchen area to let in some natural skylight. I like the newer lights they're putting over the dinette table now. It does have the table and chairs. It's got the trifold sofa that makes a bed. The chairs are recliners. Got a CD, DVD player, Bluetooth radio. You can play inside, outside speakers. And folks, that $23,900 price does include a new 32-inch TV installed. We do that after purchase. So you will have a new TV in here included for that low price. And wow, 15,000 BTU ducted roof air. Other options that I ordered with it included the exterior shower. It's got the optional black tank flush on the outside. That trifold sofa is also optional. The standard is a jackknife sofa. So I definitely did some pretty nice options on here. I mean, folks, MSRP on this camper is over $34,000. But as many of you know, I sell my new Prowlers like I do our used RVs, and that's the lowest price in the country. You know, here's our philosophy on these new Prowlers, folks. I make them every day. Hey, I don't have to get rich when everybody that comes in here buys a new Prowler. If I can make just a little bit and move on, because all I got to do is pick up a phone and order as many of these as I want, hey, I'm happy with that. I don't have to make $3,000, $4,000, or $5,000 on a new Prowler like a lot of other dealers do. So I mark these things down. I mean, folks, just crazy money. I mean, you look them up online, folks. I'm probably $4 or $5 grand cheaper than any other one you find online. Stand-up shower, got a skylight, neo-angle shower. You know, thanks to that bedroom slide, you get a lot more closet space and really a better bathroom layout because you can get to your bedroom from the bathroom or the side hallway. And look at this big closet right here in this slide out, folks. I know you got adjustable shelves, which you can take these shelves out. You still got a closet rod in there if you want to use it. Got some drawers over here, and again, they're all got that plastic coating to protect it from spills. storage underneath the bed, queen island bed, overhead storage, vent up here. Now we can certainly install you a TV back here if you have a need for it. Just depends on what size you want. You know, folks, I'd probably put you like a 24-inch TV in here for $150 with the mount and everything. So I can definitely put a TV in for a lot cheaper than ordering one from the factory. A 32-inch TV from Heartland installed like $600 and cost me about $200. So I'm going to throw in a 32-inch TV installed in here. So you got that. And of course, if you want one in the bedroom, let your salesperson know. We'll add it to the deal. But folks, the reason why I sell these things so cheap is because I'm primarily a used RV dealer. For those of you who subscribe to my channel, I do a lot of motorhomes, a lot of used campers, and fifth wheels, things like that. That's my bread and butter. I have to carry at least one line of new campers or new RVs or whatever my choosing, because the nationwide lenders that provide RV financing will not do business with a 100% totally independent dealer. They will not take credit apps from those dealers. It's really discrimination, but they all require you to carry one nationally recognized brand of new campers before they will accept credit apps from your customers for financing, even though that makes totally no sense, but that's what the banks require. And a lot of things these banks do don't make sense. So I have to carry at least one brand of new campers, so we might as well have fun with it and get one that we like instead of just carrying just the cheapest glued together piece of junk on the market. At least we try to carry something nice for our customers and sell it for a great price, because only reason I don't carry new RVs to make a ton of money, folks. Hey, if I can make enough to cover expenses and make a little bit of profit, I'm fine. I don't have to make 8-10 grand like a lot of dealers do. I mean, you can tell that from how far under MSRP my camper's priced. $34,698, our price $23,900 and no extra fees. $23,900 plus applicable sales tax. That's it, folks. You get a brand new camper, all the factory warranties, never used, never stayed in, for almost a used price. And you get the 3-year Heartland structure warranty. You get the 12-year roof warranty, the 25-year floor warranty. This floor is the same type floor they put on pontoon boats. And pontoon boats sit out in the weather for years at a time, and the floors are still solid on them. So it's the same floor in here, and you can imagine in a climate-controlled camper not exposed to the element how long that floor will last. But these are great little campers, folks. We have sold a ton of them because of our prices. I love the decor in here. I know it may not be for everyone, but I'm going to tell you, it's first time I saw one of these, I knew we had to have them. And we did. We were lucky enough to get the franchise for Heartland Prowler in our area. And we're moving up quick in sales, folks. I've got about 10 of these in stocks in various floor plans. I'll be doing a couple more here in the next couple of days. I've got them starting, brand new 19 Prowlers, starting as low as $14,400, and that's a total price plus tax. No surprises, no extra fees. You go to these other Prowler dealers and other new camper dealers, they start charging destination fees and delivery fees and dock fees, prep fees, inspection fees, and just PDI fees, and on and on and on and on and on, folks. It's crazy. It can add up to thousands of dollars on top of the advertised price. No fees here, folks. $23,900 plus applicable sales tax. That's it. No games, no gimmicks, no surprises, straightforward pricing, no haggling, folks. That's the price. If you want this camper, it's $23,900. If I don't have it in stock and Heartland hasn't had a price increase, I'll get you another one for $23,900 just like this. I can order you one if I don't happen to have this one in stock. So I don't have any additional markup. Unlike other dealers who mark special order units up higher than they would in stock units, I don't do that, folks, because like I said, this is not my bread and butter. New RVs, we carry as a necessity so we can provide financing for used RVs to our customers. If it wasn't for that, as much as I like Prowler, I probably wouldn't even have a new line. But that's the truth, folks. But hey, I like the Prowlers, folks. I like the build quality. Let me tell you something. Before Prowler, we used to be a Forest River dealer. And let me tell you something. The new Forest Rivers that were coming in, I'm not trying to badmouth nobody. They supposedly have gotten better about it. But one of the reasons I dropped them was because we were spending more time fixing brand new RVs stuff they messed up from the factory than we were used ones. And that's the truth, folks. However, let me tell you something. I've probably had 35 or 40 Heartlands come through here since we started carrying them. Very, very, very few repairs have we had to do on new Heartlands. I'm talking about a fraction of what Forest Rivers were. I mean, the build quality, and hats off to the guys at the factory at Heartland Prowler. Hey, y'all do a great job. And your PDI and your quality control is really amazing, because I've had to do so few repairs to Heartland Prowlers, which is great, because then I feel better about selling it to my customers, knowing, unlike other brands, they're not constantly bringing it back for warranty repairs, because everything's in good shape from the get-go. So keep that in mind, folks. These are great campers. Come out and look at them. Look at the different floor plans, and we've got more that we can special order for you. They even got a couple toy haulers. They've got various sizes. This one's 34 feet, total length, 2 slides, still decent weight, and a nice camper. And it's no games, no gimmicks, straightforward pricing, folks. $23,900. Like I said, MSRP 34, $698 as equipped. And our price, of course, is $23,900. And I'm throwing in a TV at that price installed. So, wow. Give us a call, folks. This one not going to last long. I've got a couple other floor plans, including a 30LX, which I haven't had before, which is really nice, that I'll be posting later today or tomorrow. If you have any questions, give us a call, 706-965-7929. You can email us, sales@parkway RV Center.com. Let us know what you think about it. Make sure you check out my website. I've got some really neat features. I'll have the factory brochure available in PDF format that you can look and read and know every technical detail about Heartland Prowlers that you ever wanted to know. That's included. That's on the website. Also, I'll have all the floor plans available that you can see, the ones I have in stock and the ones I have to order. I'll have a finance applications. Financing is available with approved credit, minimum 10% down payment. Cash or trade equity is mandatory. That's the bank's rules, not mine. And much more, folks. Pictures, weights, details, and you're really missing out if you don't check out my website. I've made it really easy again for those of you watching this on YouTube. Go to the video description below. There'll be a link in the first paragraph, take you to my new Prowlers, and you're going to be impressed, folks. These are nice campers. They're affordable. Well, at least affordable here. You go somewhere else, this is a $30,000 plus camper, and then they're going to charge you thousands in fees on top of that. If you have any questions, folks, again, that price is haggle free. That's what it takes to buy it. We don't take offers. Not trying to be hard to get along with, but folks, I mean, we price these things to sell, not sit around. If you want to haggle, we'll price it for MSRP and we'll start haggling, or we can just cut everything out, cut all that nonsense out, and real price, $23,900. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, call us, email us. Look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.